Hey there, in today's video we're going to tackle a common issue that many Ubuntu users might encounter while trying to stream live video using only their CPU. The problem arises when using ffplay to stream live video on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS, and noticing a significant lag in the stream when the ffplay window is sent to the background. Even after bringing the window back to the foreground, the delay persists. It seems like Ubuntu might be lowering the process priority when the window is in the background, causing this unwanted latency. So, how can we solve this problem and ensure a smooth streaming experience regardless of the window's position? Let's find out. Now, let's dive into the solution for our streaming problem. By changing the priority of the ffplay process using the nice command, we could potentially reduce the lag in the stream. The key here is to use the nice in20 command, where 20 indicates the highest priority level. By setting a higher priority for the ffplay command, we could potentially prevent Ubuntu from lowering the process priority when the window is sent to the background. This adjustment can help maintain a smooth streaming experience even when the ffplay window is not in the foreground. Give it a try and see if it improves the performance of your live video streaming. To wrap things up, we've explored a common problem faced by Ubuntu users when streaming live video using ffplay on CPU-only laptops. The issue of lag in the stream when the ffplay window is sent to the background can be frustrating, but by adjusting the process priority using the nice command, we may alleviate this delay. Remember to use the nice in20 command to set a higher priority for the ffplay process and potentially prevent Ubuntu from interfering with the streaming performance. I hope this solution helps you achieve a smoother streaming experience on Ubuntu. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any other tech topics you'd like to see covered. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!